I'm going to show you how to crochet the Arya Lariat necklace. I already have a couple beads on the yarn. I'm going to string a little bit more onto the yarn just to show you how it's done with the threader. The pattern will tell you exactly how many beads to put on the yarn before you start crocheting. The necklace starts at the bottom. We're actually making the pendant first, this part. So we are going to make a slip knot and chain 1. Now we push up 20 beads, and then you pull up 2 beads at a time. I like to hold it with my fingers just so like it's secure. And then you chain 1, and then you push up 2 beads again, and you chain. Push 2 beads up, and you repeat these 20 times. And as you can see, it starts twisting on its own. But after every couple of chains, you should just give it a little bit of a twist clockwise. Like you have 2 beads up, chain, 1 more, and then just twist it a little bit. You can see how it's nicely forming that twist. Just a few more. 2 beads up. And just twist it. I'm just going to do a few more. 1. And then twist it. So here's the pendant. And the pattern will tell you exactly how many chains you have to do between the pendant and the next cluster. So now you just chain a few. And now we do one of these clusters. The cluster takes 10 beads. And it's the same thing. You push up 2 and chain. Push up 2, chain. This is 3, 4, 5, and you see, just gonna give it a little bit of a twist, and now you have the cluster. And you repeat this, the chain a few, which the pattern will tell you exactly how many. And then again, you have a cluster. Now when you come to the end, at the end, there's a smaller cluster. It's about 6 beads. 1 and just 3 chains. This is a small cluster that's at the end of the necklace, and then you chain 3. Now you cut the yarn, leave about like 10 to 12 inches of a tail. And you take your decorative ring and you pull the tail through the ring and you slip stitch. And you do it again just so secure it. Pull the yarn through again and then you slip stitch and you take it off. Pull it very tight. Now the reason I have that small little cluster close to the ring, because when you have this tail, you take the tapestry needle and as you weave it in, you have this little cluster to hide the tail. You weave it in nicely. Don't pull it too tight because you don't want it to bunch up. Kind of pull it. And when you get to the cluster, you have a place to hide the end. And then you cut it very close. And then you won't see it. And you do the same thing at the bottom also. you take your tapestry needle and you have this pendant that you can weave the tail in. Go up a little bit further up, make it secure, make it disappear, and also you fold it a little bit and cut. And then you have the pendant, you have the cluster, and when it's all finished, you're going to have 3 different length chains, and when you put it on, you put 1 chain at a time in through the ring, and position the ring wherever is comfortable for you.